Greetings, mathematicians. Today we're looking at example 3, simplifying complex fractions by method 2. So with method 2, we have to look at all of the individual denominators and find our lowest common denominator to multiply to the numerator, to all the fractions actually. So the way that we're going to do that is I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this as with 4 as a fraction. So 4 over 1 minus 6 over x. All of that divided by 2 over 1 minus 3 over x. And now I can take a look at my individual denominators. So I have a factor of 1, factor of x, same factor of 1, same factor of x. So my unique factors are 1 and x, so my LCD would be 1x, which is just x by itself. So that is what needs to be multiplied to the terms in the numerator and the terms in the denominator. Basically what we're doing is eliminating fractions by multiplying everything by the lowest common denominator. So that turns into x times 4 over 1 minus 6 over x. That divided by x times 2 over 1 minus 3 over x, and this is going to be distributive property, so x times 4 over 1 minus x times 6 over x, and in the denominator x times 2 over 1 minus x times 3 over x. But I am going to show the application of distributive property for each term. So this is x times 4 over 1, and then minus sign, x times 6 over x, all of that divided by x times 2 over 1 minus sign x times 3 over x. So now that I'm multiplying every term by my LCD, these fractions will be gone. And so let's look at them one at a time. X times 4 over 1 is 4x. A couple ways to do that. X times 4 is 4x. 4x divided by 1 is 4x. So just 4x. And then I'm going to subtract, so I'm going to bring down my minus sign, I'm going to subtract x times 6 over x. X times 6 is 6x, 6x divided by x is 6, and another way of looking at that is x divided by x simplifies to 1 over 1, so it's 1 times 6 is 6, 6 divided by 1 is 6, I'm subtracting 6. And now I do the same thing for the denominator. X times 2 over 1, 2 over 1 is just 2, so 2 times x is just 2x, so 2x, and then I'm subtracting x times 3 over x, same thing. This x divided by this x simplifies to 1 over 1, and I'm really just subtracting 1 times 3, so minus 3. Now, the numerator can be factored further. Now notice all the fractions are gone, but the numerator can be factored further by factoring out a GCF of 2. So 2 gets factored out. 2 times 2x gives us 4x. 2 times a minus 3 gives us minus 6. That divided by 2x minus 3. And now we can see that we have identical factors. 2x minus 3 divided by 2x minus 3 will simplify to 1 over 1. And our final answer for this problem is 2.